build electrical controls for original equipment manufacturers and electrical equipment builders. Our products are genuinely innovative, not only in the way they're engineered, but also the way they're manufactured. C3controls is vertically integrated. What does that mean to you? By taking control of the process from cradle to grave, we ensure that the products we make perform exactly to our customers' standards and make good on our promises. Our model of vertical integration ensures that there is a constant dialogue between engineering and manufacturing so that we can control and perfect every phase of the product development and manufacture. From the birth of the idea to the product being boxed and shipped, we make sure that we are able to offer our products at the best possible price, that we can ensure same-day shipping, and most importantly, that our products perform reliably. 95% of our products are designed in-house by our own engineering team. We design the mechanics, the electrical circuits, and the printed circuit boards. Once a product is final, we design our own tools, the molds, to make the parts that make up the product. Then we use our own injection molding machines and machine tools to fabricate them. Once we have all the pieces designed, engineered, created, and made, our own people assemble them. This is the way all manufacturers once operated. Not many do anymore. For c3controls, this is necessary in order to provide old-school quality at prices that are up to 40% below the competition and shipped in the same day they are ordered. Lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, incredible prices. This is what vertical integration means to you.